What's going on, guys? Hyper Orange here, and today me and my buddy drove like 7 hours up north, and as you can see, we're doing some camping, backpacking. We canoed like 3 kilometers, and now we have this awesome lake to do some fishing and just have some fun. So we'll see what we get into. There's muskie, lake trout, pike, smallmouth, largemouth. It's an awesome lake. So hopefully we catch some absolute units. Well, I'm going over you. He's on. How to catch a common snapping turtle. So that was a little bit of a fight. Look at the size of his claws. Look at this freaking... That's a massive... It's actually the biggest one I've ever caught. Now, I don't have a net with me. Look at this animal. Look at those. It's absolute BOWSER. Wow. And he's still fighting after all this. He snapped it so fast. Well, we're gonna deal with this now. See, guys, he's right here. There he is. The absolute BOWSER, free now. Yeah, jig is 100% out. He's perfect. BOWSER, you're a champ. So he's 100% good. Look at him. Look at him just staring at me like, next time, you better be in the water. It's funny. Me and my buddy always do lake swimming around here. Would not want to step on one of those guys. Oh, fish on. Rock bass. Yeah, there we go. Like third cast, not even. First fish of the trip. The bait is bigger than him. Oh, you're on? There you go. And sometimes you can do like, you can mix it up. You can pop it, sometimes just let go of it. And then they stare at it. And then the next, oh, just like that. Literally what I said. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. Literally what I said. Smallie too. Literally what I said. Oh, look at him fight. Look at it out of the water. Yeah, ready? No, I'm just gonna bring it up. There we go. As I was explaining it, literally, I left it still after popping it. There we go, boys. Beautiful smallmouth bass on the top water. Literally exploded on it. I was just telling my best bud, I'm like, he doesn't fish too much topwater, so I'm saying like you gotta mix it up sometime. And I'm like, sometimes they like it when you stand it still, and literally as I said that, slammed it. And I love smallmouth up north. They're for pound and size for size, they're the best fighting fish. Look at that, right at sundown. Smallmouth right here. I have no clue where it is now, but I hope he bites it. There we go. Called it perfectly out of the water. Literally called it sight fished. Oh, they fight so good. Yeah, type of drag a little bit. Look at them go. They fight so good for a small little fish. I saw that one too. He absolutely slammed it. I sight fished him and I put it still and then tried to hope he was going that way. And he exploded on it. There's another one. See you, little guy. There he goes. Catch him. He's going left. Here you go, Bowser. Ready, Mark? Oh, there's the strike. There you go, boy. Look at him go. He's like, finally. He's like, I fought for that. So, guys, we caught Bowser. The jig came out no problem. He's 100% okay. Now, we just gave him the rock bass, and look at that. We gave him a meal. We're boys. Look at all the other rock bass, like, hey, is that Fred? And look, he's like, he wants more now. He has the taste for them. Hey, bud. Whoa there. Stop! Oh, he's on the prowl now. Oh my god, that was amazing. And see, they always strike at the head because the way the spines go, it goes back. So now he can swallow it fully. Wow. There we go, Bowser meal number 2. There, it's gone. One bite. Good job, Bowser. Here we go. Wow, look at that. And it's gone. Oh no. And it's gone. Okay, I have the line right.
Nice. Nice.
Took a little bit of break. We went out fishing at probably not the best time and caught nothing. So you know, yeah, Mark got snagged. Yeah, I'm just vibing. For the record, floating around in a life jacket is just like a floaty, and I love it. Don't have to do nothing.